Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Autocad software, and this lecture is 44, and this is today discuss here a very important command, a 3D polyline, and how to difference between a polyline, a 2D polyline and 3D polyline. Okay, today discuss here a very important point is discuss here. Okay, let's start here. This point is discuss here. Okay, at first drawing this use this create a 2D polyline, and this is a 3D polyline. Create a 3D polyline, and how to important discuss here. This point is discuss here. Okay, at first drawing this 2D polyline, and this is a 3D polyline. One point is discuss here. This is not use a fillet, is use here this 3D polyline. Okay, this fillet and chamfer is not work a 3D polyline, and this 3D polyline is a this polyline is a this is a fillet and chamfer is used here. Okay, and okay, at first drawing this line is a drawing here. Okay, this line is this and drawing here this okay, and enter, and this line is this, and use a fillet is not use here this. Okay, not active this, and use again use a chamfer, and chamfer is a not work is this. Okay, and okay, and use here this polyline, a 2D polyline is a click here this this body. Okay, work here this okay, this is a right click, and this use a this use a fillet is use here this. Okay, and again select this not work. This radius is a 40 millimeter and multiple, because this and then select this point, and this is a this, and this use a this, and again select this and then this is a this, because multiple is a this, because this line is a not select here this. Then one point is important is discuss here this ki this 3D polyline is not use a fillet and chamfer, and this 2D polyline is a use a fillet and chamfer. Okay, and one point is discuss here then select this and going to this is a front plane, drawing a profile, and path is a select here. Okay, and this use a path, and select a profile, and profile is this point is this, and again select this profile, or drawing a circle. Okay, and going to this swept command is this profile is select here, and going to this mode and solid, and this path is a select here. Okay, and again select this sweep command, and going to this profile and mode and solid, and going to this path. Okay, but this is a line is some this line. line is a drag here, because this is a drag here, this okay, and this is a delete here, okay, and select a line. Polyline is perfect, and going to this, and this line, and going to this, this is a okay, and this is a this, right click and enter, okay, and this is a sum is okay, and going to this, use a fillet, and fillet command is this, radius is a 35 millimeter, enter, and multiple is this fillet is used here because all point is this, okay, all fillet point is this, and this use a fillet and chamfer because this is a 2D polyline and this is a 3D polyline. This is not use a fillet and chamfer, okay, and select this swept base, and this profile is selected, and going to the mode and solid, and this path, okay, and one point is also important point is discussed here, and this use a cell, and cell command is used here going to this cell, click here, and some rotation of this body, okay, and cell command is this, select this body, okay, and this face is selected, and going to this, right click, enter, and this is a enter the cell offset thickness is a 0.2 millimeter is this, okay, and again this is a select here, this going to cell this body, and this first, and going to this body is rotate here, and this use a second, okay, and this going to right click and enter, and thickness is a 0.2 millimeter, okay, going to rotate this body, okay, and this is a this, okay, okay, and isometric view is this, going to this isometric view, okay, okay, and this, and color is change here, and going to this, use a centripetal, okay, and also this is a this, and this use a line, and going to this wireframe is also is this, and going to this realistic, this is a okay, and going to strictly, okay, okay, this is a perfect, and color is change here, this color is this is a red color, and this use this color is change here, is a pink color, okay, and this is a perfect and correct, okay, okay, and Okay. And guys, I hope you will learn all point is discussed here and all point is learned here easily and clearly. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.